Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Zoho account. First, navigate to the Zoho website and locate the Sign Up button to begin the process. You will then enter your email address, create a strong, unique password, and select your country from the drop-down menu. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile number. Enter this code to confirm your identity. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions to successfully activate your new Zoho account and gain access to its many applications. Once your Zoho account is active, the next step is to configure your organization's profile. Log in and find the Settings section to update your company details. Here, you will input essential information such as your business name, physical address, and contact numbers. It is also important to specify your industry, relevant tax information, and the currency you primarily use for transactions. Saving these details ensures your Zoho applications are tailored to your business from day one. Now, let's customize Zoho for your team. You can add individual team members and assign them specific roles, granting precise permissions for data access. Next, streamline your workspace by organizing modules. Hide any that are not essential to your daily operations. You can also personalize layouts and fields within each module to perfectly match your business's unique data requirements. Don't forget to set up email signatures and connect your external email accounts for seamless communication. Finally, integrate specific Zoho services to maximize their potential. If using Zoho Mail, connect your custom domain and configure the necessary DNS records like MX, SBF, and DKIM. For Zoho CRM, import your existing customer data and begin managing leads and deals effectively. If you're using Zoho Books, set up your chart of accounts and enable inventory tracking for your products. Remember, Zoho offers many applications that can integrate, creating a powerful, unified system for your entire business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.